Okay, here is Mr. Who's, also known as Aaron Rodgers, unfortunately. Unboxing of the DRC seaplane, also known as the Z-62, also known as the Sky Guardian, also known as the Galaxy ship, because yes, that is misspelled. All right. See how well I'm in frame. I'm doing well in frame there. All right, I just got this about 2 hours ago, maybe 3 hours ago, overnight from Amazon. Look at this guy. It feels pretty light. Oh, here we go. I've mentioned it before in another video. It wouldn't be a DRC or a Holy Stone or a Holy Ton or any of their companies if it didn't come with one of these. So we got, looking at here, we got this here, we got the instructions you see down there, and then underneath, we have the remote. The remote is, from what I saw in pictures, let's take a look here. Oh boy, it's in there. Yeah, that's different. Ooh, well, I don't know about that. Yeah. Oh, it's just an up and down. Well, then I do know about that. Okay, it's got the feel. It's got it kind of reminds me, even though this trim's a little different and all that, and it got the top buttons. It just kind of reminds me of that little HS210T from Holy Stone a little bit. I don't know why. I'll have a good heft to it once I put in the 3, what I'm assuming are AAA batteries. Let's take a look at the plane. It's made of foam, of course. You know, you expect it to be light, all that. It's going to be, but it is the, as you can see there, the only part that is mechanical is in here and here. These are waterproof, and this is waterproof. As you can see, you've got to take it off to put in the battery. Let's see what it comes with. It comes with the 2 batteries, which are, I did not actually remember saying from the thing here. So these are, looks like it's saying 500 milliamp, 3.7 volt. It's some in the hundreds, but 300 or 500 milliamp. Each battery only gets you 10 or 12 minutes of use at the max, which is a little disappointing, but I knew that going in. You get a larger than normal precision Phillips. You get the charger, and you get a couple replacement props, and whatever this silly thing is, which is probably a tool of some sort. Probably figure that out. I'm looking at here. Let's go to the Z series and see what it says with what it comes with. All right. Climb too fast. Preparation. Separately. No, I don't see it there. I don't see it there, so it's not any of this. Where is it? Am I just being too impatient? No, it just doesn't tell me. Let's see if it says on the box. Okay, so we got that. Tells us about the remote. Got that. Yeah, we got the side here. Orange, no, it doesn't. Both sides are just the same thing. And I'm not seeing what the box contents are, so I'll figure out what that is later. So that's the unboxing for now. I'll give you my first impression. So this is definitely very light. I expected it to be. It doesn't have it's not going to take many hits, so you better be good at flying. You got the, whatever, I can't remember what this is called back there. I'm so woefully unprepared. But it looks like it's a very well-contained system. And also, if you get in the water and somehow end up capsized, the return's easy because, there you go, you got the rotors, the rotors would be in like this. So if you're coming flying and a wave hits you and knocks you over, well, you already, since this is styrofoam that's going to pop it out of the thing, you're going to have this here, you could right back to yourself. So that's pretty cool. That's all right. It's going to gain a tiny bit of heft with the battery. But other than that, it's almost exactly what I expected. Dimensions and everything. I can't wait to try it. I just am afraid to fly it on water because, well, I'm a big pansy. And this is a $60 plane. All right. we'll see you at the flying test.